So we got mail. Another one coming soon. I only got 2 bits though, so let's get into this one first. There you go. Excellent. Exactly what I thought. Exactly what I thought it'd be. There we go. Let's get this baby unbagged. And there we are. Veil number 5. Greg Rucka and Tony Fizula. He says, what about 1 to 4? I said, oh, got those from OK Comics of the day. So, all 5 comics, Veil comics. Greg Rucka, Tony Fizula. So, that's a complete collection now, which is good. I hate incompletes. It didn't cost much. So, yeah. And now I can read those. Lovely. Peace and I'm out of here. Don't forget to subscribe. We're at 460. 40 to go.